In our workshop this week, we started looking at setting up projects, and this is part one of a multi-part development. The first thing we wanted to look at was what project is that we're going to do. We looked at the manual that we've written, and we started looking at what's known as document content analysis. That is, cartooning up your drawing so that you know what you need to draw. This allows you to price the project, to put a cost against each drawing, to show the links in between the drawings so that you know where details are, where the detail references are, where sections are, and so on. It's a really fundamental part of getting started with a project. I've written a manual giving all of the instructions that you need to create these document content analysis cartoons. We went through those, but we also used those to start to think about what layers and classes do we need to create in order to produce this project. Once we'd gone through all of our drawings and looked at what layers and classes we might need, we then looked at our story settings, what levels we might need. Then we looked through our default levels, updating our default levels to suit the projects that we work on. This is the first of a multi-part series, so stay tuned. If you want to see the full movie, you'll have to become part of my community. Click on the description and the link, and I'll see you there.